everyone, I Neha would like to welcome you to another video in the official YouTube channel of OlizStore. In today's video, we are going to be looking at one of the smallest smartphone gimbal by Zhiyun, that is SmoothX. Now this is a special edition where we get a zipper case and tripod, but if you want to buy a standard edition with only the gimbal, that is also available. So let's dive right inside this box. Now inside this box we get the gimbal, Type-C cable, some user manual, tripod and this zipper case. Talking about this bag, it is quite strong and can be safe to put your gimbal in, and this wrist strap comes in handy when you are filming outdoors. So inside this, when we open it, we have this elastic strap where you can put this gimbal and it stays in one place, and also we have some pockets to store some accessories or memory cards, anything you like. Now talking about this gimbal, it is a 2-axis gimbal with payload capacity of 235 grams and its net weight is about 246 grams. It is a pretty lightweight for a gimbal to be. Now talking about its battery capacity is 1000 milliamp and takes about 3 hours of charging, and the battery runtime of this gimbal is about 4 hours. There are 7 amazing shooting modes inside the app, like Smart Mode. If you are new when it comes to gimbal, then this mode is ideal for you. Smart Mode has few templates that direct the movement of your gimbal. Each template has at least 4 movements of up to 30 seconds. You can use all these options and SmoothX will edit them into one video. Another mode is Pano mode, where the SmoothX takes a panorama using 7 shots and stitches them together within the ZY Cami app. Photo mode, which is ideal for taking selfies. Apart from the self-timer, it also has gesture control. All you have to do is wave your hand to make it follow you and take photos. Photo mode also has glamour effect to smoothen your skin, make eyes bigger, and even make you look thinner. The feature of gesture control and glamour effect can be used in video modes as well. So if you are making TikTok videos or streaming live on Instagram, this can be your ideal gimbal. In time-lapse mode, you also get to set your interval and duration. So this way you can control how often and how long the camera needs to take pictures. In hyperlapse mode, you can change video resolution and the speed of the video too. So let's walk and see how stable the video comes, and right now I am in a smooth road, so maybe the video might be very stable. And yes, this is how stable the video is. Now I'm going to turn the camera facing front and see how stable it comes. So another amazing feature of this gimbal is that it can be extended, and this way you can get great selfies. If you are in a group, nobody will miss the photograph because you have this extendable selfie stick that comes in this gimbal. And also this can also be good for vlogging, as you can get amazing shots of yourself. So I have been using this gimbal for a couple of weeks now, and if I have to share my experience, then I would define this gimbal as a 3-in-1 gimbal, because you can use it as a monopod, as a gimbal itself, or as a selfie stick. It was quite fun making TikTok videos using this gimbal. Also, there aren't much buttons over here in the body, so it wasn't quite complex for me to learn how to use it. And being this small, this gimbal has so much more to offer at such cheap price. So with this, we have come to the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit that bell icon, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.